Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Control Panel. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new control panel. The control panel has the touchpad mounted on it. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if the control panel is damaged or the touchpad has failed and the dishwasher is not responding to your inputs. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the door part way. Now that we have the door open, we're going to use the Torx 15 driver to remove the 6 screws that hold the control panel on. Now that we have the screws out, we're going to close the door a little bit, and then we can take the control panel off. We're just going to pull forwards on the front so the latch comes out. Then we can lift up on it. Then we're going to turn it over and set it on the front door panel. Once you have it resting on the door panel, we can take the latch off. There's a little locking tab on each side. If you have to, you can reach down there with a small flathead screwdriver and release them. Once you have them off, we can take the latch off and just get it out of the way. Then we can take off the handle. We're going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to take out the screw. Then we can use a small flathead screwdriver to release the locking tabs. There's one on each end of the handle. Once you have them released, you can pull the handle off and set it aside. Then we're going to take the small flathead screwdriver and release the 2 tabs that hold in the control board. All you have to do is get behind them and push the tab in. Once you have the tab released, you can lift up on that side of the board so it doesn't lock back down. Then we can do the other one. Once you have them both released, we can lift the board out. We have to slide it towards the left. There's some tabs that go underneath on this end. So we're going to slide it to the left to get it out. And then we're going to disconnect the ribbon cable. All I have to do is grab it and carefully unplug it from the control board. Then we're going to carefully set the control board down against the outer door panel. Then we can pull the control panel off the dishwasher. Here's the old control panel next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new control panel on, we're just going to grab the control board and reconnect the ribbon cable. You just have to grab the ribbon cable and plug it onto the control board. Once you have it all the way on, then we can put the other end of the control board into the control panel. There's a couple tabs on this end that have to go into the control panel. All you have to do is push it in, then you can snap it down so it locks in place. Once you have the control board in, we can put the handle in. We're just going to set it down in place and snap it in. And then we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put the screw in. Then we can grab the latch assembly. Just going to pick it up and set it into place. It goes on these 2 mounting tabs right here. All you have to do is line it up and snap it on. Once you have everything on, you can put the control panel on the door. Just going to open it up a little bit, and then we can set the bottom in first and then rotate it up so the latch comes through. Once you have it in place, we can open up the door. Now we're going to use the Torx 15 driver to put the screws in. Now that we have the screws tightened down, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.